Hello and welcome to the York School. In this tutorial, we'll go over the process of installing and loading Adobe applications through the Creative Cloud application. Along the top bar, you should see this little squiggly that kind of looks like an infinity loop. If you click on it, it will open up the Creative Cloud and should open up to the applications window. As you can see, there are many programs that we can install. Today, we'll install Adobe Acrobat DC. We'll click on Install. It will start the installing process. As it takes a little bit of time to download, we're going to pause now and come back when it's complete. Now that Acrobat DC has been installed, it moves into an installed tab versus all the other applications that are still available to be installed. Go ahead and click Open, and we will make sure that it logs in using your York School account in order to run properly. It will take a moment to launch the first time. Now that Adobe Acrobat is running, it will ask you if you want to get alerts from Acrobat. Go ahead and click Allow. At this point, it may be useful to start the tour to see all the different areas, but we're going to skip it for now to make sure that you're logged in using your York School account so that all the features are available. Go ahead and click OK to allow Acrobat access to PowerPoint. We'll cancel the tour. Acrobat will ask to be the default application for PDFs. Most of the time, the Mac OS Preview program works just fine for PDFs and does load faster. So I'm going to click on the check mark to not show this again and say no. That way, if you're only looking at a PDF, you can just use the preview tool, which is quick. But if you're making a PDF and editing a PDF, you can open it directly from Acrobat. As you can see, if you click in the upper right-hand corner, you can see that it is properly logged in with your account, which means all the tools are available from Adobe for the Acrobat program. We'll now close Acrobat. You would run the same process for any of the other programs you may need during your classes at the York School. Thank you for watching and have a great day.